This is a Prime bottle. This is a fridge full of Prime. And this is a Prime fridge that I made for KSI and Logan Paul. Recently, KSI and Logan Paul came to Australia and announced Prime is coming here. But I haven't managed to get my hands on Prime yet. Anyway, so in effort to get my hands on some Prime, I will be making the world's first giant Prime bottle as a fridge. But the only problem is, I don't know the shape of a Prime bottle. And I'm not buying Prime when it's a 400% price increase from one juicy Prime energy hydration drink. Or am I?
Got myself a Prime bottle. And you know what the strange thing is? It looks fake. I spent too much money on Facebook Marketplace for a fake one. I think the only logical thing to do is to build a Prime fridge, for KSI, post on Reddit so he can see it, so he can send me some Prime, and so I can give it away, and so this never happens to anyone else again. That's it.
Okay, yeah, I'm going into it without knowing really the right size for the fridge. I ordered it online, and there's two different fucking measurements of fucking width and length. And it comes in like a week or so. I'm gonna get this bad boy out before Prime gets to Australia. Yeah. Okay, so the idea is to cut a circle out of here. Go around the outside, so they stick to it. That's where the vinyl will get wrapped around. Several different things. And for the top of it, I'm really gonna layer this 13 mil to get that curve and sand it right over the top. And for the lid, you know, I'm not even gonna use this. Why am I telling you this? Why don't I just show you?
So the first step is, for some reason, go to KFC, order some food so I can smash out this project.
You got Prime?
No worries, that's okay.
Guess what came? She fits alright. Maybe lift it up until there, cut her off there. Should be all sweet. I can quickly wrap it around with the MDF. Leave this part open for the front and the back. Lots of progress, huh? I reckon change out most of these screws to staples. It took way longer for me than it took you. I think we actually make it look like a Prime bottle now. This here, it's gonna be pointy now. We're gonna cut small circles out of that. It's gonna get that nice curve. Then we're gonna sand it. It's gonna look freaking smick. Stop. I reckon it's about time I told you why I'm doing this. I need your guys' help.
The only way to get my hands on some Prime is if he sees this fridge. So if he can post this video or post an image in his Reddit. If someone posted anything in his Reddit, I'll make sure to link at the top of the description. So please go upvote it. More at the end of the video.
Wrap her up. The truth is, I have no clue what I'm doing. I don't know how the fuck to do this. Like, do I just start from here? Do I just wrap her around and just put the heat gun on and just go lower and lower and feel this in? I don't really know what I'm doing. Do I just bring it over?
Yeah, I really had no idea what was going on. I thought it would be a great idea to put vinyl on wood. I thought you could use a heat gun on vinyl and it would just stretch and stick to the wood. But no. So I thought, just tape the motherfucker. Tape her up and stick the vinyl to it. But no, that didn't work either. So a month later, I just said, fuck it. Paint the bitch and get some colored tape.
This has taken way too long. Now, at the moment, it just looks like a fucking red, white, and blue dildo. Let's change that. Let's put a logo on it. You can really tell it's a prime bottle now. But we need to make it stand out. At the moment, just an ordinary prime bottle. The best way to do that is LED lights. Now, let's hook this bitch up. So happy I just turned out. All I'm asking for is you to subscribe, to upload it on Reddit. If you like how this turned out and enjoyed the video, how about you subscribe and upload it on Reddit? I put a lot of time into these videos. How about you subscribe? Peace.